Hi everyone. Today, let's talk about the advantages of being a seafarer. First, high salary. Seafarers earn way much higher than land-based jobs. Even at entry level, it's a great way to support your family.
Second, many countries offer seafarers tax exemption, so they keep more of their income.
Third, free travels. They get to see different types of countries and cultures without paying any travel.
Fourth, free accommodation. On board, housing, meals, and utilities are provided, which means more savings.
Fifth, shorter working years. Because of good pay, seafarers can save faster and even retire earlier.
Sixth, career growth. From cadet to officer, promotion brings more higher salary and more responsibility.
Seven, family support. The earnings helps send their siblings to school, build homes, and improve the family life.
Lastly, job security. Shipping industries always needs skilled seafarers, making it a stable career choice. In short, being a seafarer offers good income, growth, and a chance to see the world by providing a better future for your family.
Magkano yung tuition ng anak ko?
Pa, sure ka ba dito pa? Oh, ang ganda ng eskwela nito pa. Parang private school pa.
Okay dito anak. Kasi isa akong siman. Kaya ko lahat bayaran.
Diba, ganun pa? Di pa.
Magkano yung tuition pa?
1,000 per semester, sir.
Okay, bayaran ko yan.
Bakit ang dami mong pera?
Kasi isa akong siman. Kaya ko lahat bayaran. Anak ko.
Ganun ba na pa? Grabe pa. Galing mo pa.
Of course, anak ko.
Your tuition of this semester is fully paid, sir.
I would have a word with the captain.
Okay.
Captain, there's someone who would like to have a word with you.
What brings you here in this lovely day? It's okay if I would like to talk about my salary and my bonus. Alright, your salary. I forgot. Hey, can you hand me the money? For this month, this will be your salary and bonus. This particular dollar is equivalent to 100,000 pesos. You can change it to, you can go to a money changer if you'd like, or if you'd like to save it, you can do whatever you like. It is your money anyway. Because here, that's one. So tell me, why did you choose this career? For my advantages and exempted for some tax, travel all the world for free, and the high salary and my insurance. Good that you choose this career. It will be very advantageous for you in the future and your future offspring. Here, all you need to do is sign this and we're done. Congratulations, Mr. Mulyo.
What's up, guys? We're here in UC Mensi Maritime School. We're going to interview some students. What are the advantages becoming a seafarer?
What do you think are the advantages of being a seafarer?
So, my opinion in that statement is, I think there are so many advantages of being a seafarer. So, as far as I know, there are so many things like you get free food and a cabin that is so big in the ship, and you can travel the world for free, and you get a high salary from being a seafarer, so you can provide your family.
Do you think disadvantages will make your life secure on board?
For me, it's a yes and a no at the same time. Because you have to be mentally prepared and spiritually stable for that kind of environment. For I who go to UCMTC to school, I know that everyone on the ship is not your friends.
because you have to be your own. You have to be independent because not everyone in the ship is your friends. So yes, that's my personal opinion, sir.